HowExpert Guide to Drawing Buildings and Architecture is your 39-day blueprint for mastering architectural drawing with clarity, confidence, and creativity. Built around the proven architecture system, this guide features clear instruction, visual structure, and 200-plus step-by-step drawing lessons to help you draw everything from cozy homes and historic landmarks to skyscrapers, cityscapes, and imaginative designs. Over 39 days, you will move from basic shapes and perspective to textures, materials, and full compositions while developing strong artistic skills in realism, rhythm, and design. Each chapter delivers practical lessons you can apply immediately, from building 1- and 2-point perspectives to rendering reflections on glass, layering stone and brick textures, and mastering light and shadow for convincing depth. Along the way, you will train your artistic eye to understand proportion, symmetry, and atmosphere, developing the essential foundation for confident, expressive architectural sketches. Introduction: tools, materials, sketching methods, and an overview of the 39-day learning journey. Chapter 1. A. Architectural Basics, Days 1 to 3. Shapes, Perspective Mastery, and Essential Surface Textures. Chapter 2. R. Residences and Homes, Days 4 to 6. Draw charming cottages, classic townhouses, apartments, and elegant villas. Chapter 3. C. Classical Structures, Days 7 to 9. Study columns, arches, temples, and timeless Greek and Roman designs. Chapter 4. H. Historic Styles, Days 10 to 13. Capture Gothic cathedrals, castles, Renaissance domes, and ornate facades. Chapter 5. I. Interiors and Spaces, Days 14 to 16. Design living areas, public halls, staircases, windows, and complete room layouts. Chapter 6. T. Towers and Skyscrapers, Days 17 to 19. Sketch bell towers, lighthouses, modern steel and glass buildings, and panoramic skylines. Chapter 7. E. Exteriors and Facades, Days 20 to 22. Focus on entrances, windows, balconies, roofs, chimneys, and decorative portals. Chapter 8. C. Cities and Urban Design, Days 23 to 26. Build streets, plazas, bridges, and parks that balance structure and flow. Chapter 9. T. Thematic Landmarks, Days 27 to 29. Practice religious, civic, and cultural icons that shape community and identity. Chapter 10. U. Unique Global Styles, Days 30 to 33. Explore Asian temples, Islamic domes, indigenous dwellings, and European variations. Chapter 11. R. Revolutionary Modernism, Days 34 to 36. Examine Bauhaus minimalism, postmodern creativity, and today's architectural icons. Chapter 12. E. Expression through Architecture, Days 37 to 39. Create fantasy worlds, sustainable designs, and your own architectural masterpiece. Conclusion: reflect on your progress, celebrate your achievements, and continue growing as an architecture artist. Appendices includes glossary, famous buildings to study, recommended tools, quick references, and FAQs for ongoing learning. This guide is for artists seeking structure, variety, and visible progress. From beginners learning perspective to experienced sketchers refining design and realism. You will gain creative control, technical fluency, and a collection of drawings that showcase your growth and skill. With 200-plus step-by-step lessons and the proven 39-day architecture system, HowExpert Guide to Drawing Buildings and Architecture gives you the direction, discipline, and inspiration to bring the world's buildings and your own ideas to life, one line and one drawing at a time. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.